Is there anything in there?
I don't know. You're going to have to check your shoes.
Ooh, this is pretty.
Was that your shoe? Where's Tullie's shoe?
That one.
Help her get her shoe.
This is mine. This is Laura 19. This is Laura 3. There is stuff with it. How does Santa Claus put them in here?
I don't know how St. Nicholas put them in there.
That yellow.
You'll have to ask Daddy.
What's this? This is Laura. My sticker.
Don't eat them now. Let's wait till after breakfast.
Where's that yellow? You can look at. Close your eyes.
Okay.
1, 2. Surprise!
Mmm, those are yummy ones, aren't they?
Oh, even doughy. Even doughy. What's that?
Some silly putty in their eggs. I'll show you. We can open them up. Is that everything that's in there?
Uh-huh.
That's fun, isn't it?
What's in there? What's in there?
I'll show you.
What's in there?